Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you spend more, the value of the renovation will not proportionally add to the value of your home. For example, if your home is worth $100,000, the maximum you should spend on a kitchen or bathroom renovation is $15,000. If your house is worth more, the spend on a renovation could be higher.
Let's help you make your mark.
3 to 9 months. As a rough guideline, most renovation projects we work on can be completed in 3 to 9 months, depending on the size of the house, the scope and complexity of the project, and some other factors we will talk about next. Ready to renovate your home, but don't know where to start?
Take our lead.
Completely remodeling a 3-bedroom house costs $20,000 to $100,000 or between $15 to $60 per square foot on average. Remodeling a kitchen costs $25,000 on average, and a bathroom renovation runs $10,000. A total gut to the studs and remodel costs $100,000 to $200,000.
Make your mark, take our lead.
$50,000. With $50,000, a homeowner can afford a dream renovation, such as a high-end kitchen remodel that includes top-of-the-line appliances and cabinetry. Another option would be to add to the house's usable space by turning a screened porch or garage into a fully finished interior room.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best home renovations in 2020. Manufactured stone veneer. Average cost, $9,357. Garage door replacement. Average cost, $3,695. Minor kitchen remodel. Average cost, $23,452. Siding replacement, fiber cement. Average cost, $17,008. Siding replacement, vinyl. Average cost, $14,359. Window replacement, vinyl.
Make your mark, take our lead.
With a full kitchen renovation, homeowners can recoup about 59% of the cost, and a new master suite will typically return 50%, according to a study from the National Association of Realtors and the National Association of the Remodeling Industry. But the highest returns come from less flashy projects.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.